say all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all in the same page on this very crucial ongoing closure civil justice sign off process. I, Vedapriya Prose, providing for myself. It is because the United States of American nation, with fatal negligence, created the robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty mandate disability and enforced finance disability and also enforced finance debt for me and created lot of emotional torture because of that. So that is a crime for USA, and USA nation do not have any birthright to enforce poverty to me, right? So that is why I'm signing out the civil justice. It is a multitasking, and for displaying all the USA government errors and also displaying the criminals absolute monarchs to the USA government. I have to get the rightful salary from USA government. USA government has to sign off the job offer to me. I have to start the job, right? And I have to provide the design solutions to the software world, and I also have to provide the finance compensation aid for entire human worldwide accordingly. So I have to become the supreme judge for all nations, and I have to become the family civil law judge to provide all the services accordingly, right? So that is why I'm reading this civil justice in front of all nations, so that I will get the excellent civil justice process using the healthy humane standards ways. Okay. And the civil justice is for I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis's Roman Empire King he wrote as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica is the error. And what is the error? The error is Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis never educated. USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate. Why Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and it is a fatal negligence of errored Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica error, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica error, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis. So the crime is error Republica, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis created robocall poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime and classification of domestic violence and comes under the subclassification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury to the brain nerve cells, and battery and types and assault and types and false imprisonment and types and trespass to land and types and trespass to chattels and types. So I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign off. Europe, Republica error, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis with fatal negligence failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate. Why Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh, in October 2018, he enforced poverty mandate to Vedapriya Prose abruptly and took away $4,500 in October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today. So and also enforced finance disability to I. So it is a crime for the Republica error Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis when ruling USA never educated. USA should never provide enforced poverty to Vedapriya Prose. So civil justices, I, Vedapriya Prose, want the USA Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 in full and sign off a tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account. And error Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis must sign off tax-free $1,000 billion each to be total of $2,000 billion direct deposit to my for all the damages done by selfish, cunning Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild, endangered species Centennial Creators, and direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness, God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide the healthiest finance transfer process in a safe and secured way, either direct deposit or wire transferring process. I, Vedapriya Prase, for Civil Justice as in Holy Bible Guidelines, want USA to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name is Vedapriya Civil Justice Served. I, Vedapriya, proceed to become the Vatican leader, now is Civil Justice Served. Pope Francis to resign abruptly, Civil Justice Served. I, Vedapriya, proceed to become the Supreme Chief Civil Judge of all nations, now is Civil Justice Served. I, Vedapriya, proceed to become the Supreme Chief Civil Family Law Judge across all nations, is Civil Justice Served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to become the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations Organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Family, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is Civil Justice Served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India is Civil Justice Served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to get the dual citizenship of USA and India, now is Civil Justice Served. Okay, and I hope you're all on the same page on this particular civil justice sign off. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, I have to get this job offer signed off. I have to get this rightful salary that USA owes me, right? And then I have to get the enough finance aid, and then I have to start the job and start providing the design solutions, and then I have to provide the medical finance compensation for human kingdom, and then I have to become the Supreme Judge and Family Law Judge across all nations and medical director to guide the medical services. So all these tasks needs to be done immediately, and that is why I'm providing the civil justice for myself. And yes, civil justice wins always is the wisdom. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.